Today, we're going to guide you through the process of sending Bitcoin to another wallet using Coinbase. Whether you're moving your funds to a different exchange or a personal wallet, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Find and select Bitcoin from the list of assets. This will take you to your Bitcoin account overview. Next, tap on Send to start the process of transferring Bitcoin to another wallet. You'll now need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. To get this address, you'll need to switch to the wallet you're sending Bitcoin to. Open the wallet or exchange where you want to receive the Bitcoin. For this example, let's say it's another Bitcoin wallet app or a different exchange. Find and copy the Bitcoin address provided by that wallet. Head back to the Coinbase and paste the copied Bitcoin address into the To field. Double check to ensure the address is correct, as transactions can't be reversed once set. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can type the amount directly or select a percentage of your total balance. After entering the amount, Coinbase will show you a preview of the transaction. Review the details carefully, including the Bitcoin address and amount. Make sure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, tap on Continue. Coinbase might ask you to confirm the transaction through a two-factor authentication process for added security. Once you've confirmed, your Bitcoin transaction will be processed. You can track the status of your transfer under the Activity tab in Coinbase. And that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet.